It's gardeningtime.com. Today we are tackling a difficult task. We are getting rid of our tabletop juniper because Snowzilla split the tabletop juniper at the base. We don't see any opportunity for recovery. If it was just a few branches, we could cut them off, but the heaviness of the snow split this beautiful large evergreen right at the base. So all we can do is start cutting it up and throwing it back into the woods so that the wildlife can use it for housing and storage. We have lots of wildlife back in the woods. We can actually hear the deer walking back there right as we record. They're watching us, looking for opportunities to eat. They probably know we're about to plant something that might be very munchy for them. But this is the remnant of our tabletop juniper. We have to look on the positive side and say that our Arizona cypress will now have more room to grow. The tabletop juniper got much wider than we expected. So the Arizona cypress, which is about 20 feet tall, and a beautiful evergreen, will have more room to grow. At the bottom, you'll notice it doesn't have much foliage because the tabletop juniper was crowding it and preventing sunlight. So this will open up the base of our Arizona cypress so it will get sun and it will definitely fill in and return to the gorgeous, tall, stately evergreen that it is. We'll have more on our Arizona cypress and other videos and posts at itsgardeningtime.com. Again, check itsgardeningtime.com for updates as we recover from Snowzilla and the Jonas blizzard of 2016. Itsgardeningtime.com.